Hi mathematicians, Miss Ennis here. This week we've been working on the think big, count small strategy, which is basically a fancy way of saying we're going to start with the greater number when we're adding them together. That makes it easier for us to count on what is being added. So when you do this, it's helping you become quicker at solving addition facts. It's the most efficient way to solve them. What we're going to do today is practice a little more, identifying the greater number, putting that number in our head, and then counting on to find the total. Let's get started. Take a look at the domino on your screen. Our first job when we do the think big, count small strategy is to identify the greatest number. So I've got 4 and 2. Tell your caregiver which number is greater. 4, yeah. And I know that because I can look right at the dots and see that there are more dots for the number 4 than there are for the number 2. So what I do now is I know that that's 4. I can put that number right in my head. I don't have to count all of them. So I'm going to pop 4 in my head and count on. So I say 4, 4, 5, 6. So 4 add 2 makes 6. Okay, let's try a couple more. Now the think big, count small strategy really helps us to develop fact fluency. What is fact fluency? It's the ability to answer addition facts within 10 really quickly without even thinking. And you guys will get better at this the older you get and the more practice you have with addition. So let's take a look at the domino on your screen now. I have the numbers 6 and 1. Which number is the greater number? Which one am I going to want to pop in my head? Yeah, the number 6. So think of it like this. If I started with the number 1, I would have to count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whew, that took me a while. But if I pop 6 in my head, all I have to do is count on 1. 6, 7. Look at that. Look how quick that took me. So 6 add 1 gives me 7. Last one for today, and then you have 2 exit ticket problems to try on your own. Okay, try this one by yourself this time. Think about which number are you going to pop in your head. Which number is greater here? Okay, so you're going to start with 8, yes. And 2 is what we're going to count on. So let's pop 8 in our head. 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 2 gives me 10. All right, on your screen, you should see your exit ticket for today. It is from the same journal that you had your exit ticket from on Monday. So what you're going to do is you are going to write an equation to help you solve these addition facts. But remember, I want to see that you use the think big, count small strategy. So you're going to want to start by writing the greater number first. Good luck today, mathematicians. I know you're going to do a phenomenal job, and Miss Ennis can't wait to see what you do. Bye, guys.